First, a theme will be chosen to make the video. After choosing the topic, a script should be written. The next thing will be to review the script and make corrections. After having the script, the audio will be recorded. Then, an editing program will be chosen to start making the video. The next thing is to assemble the audio with the video. Then, image and animation will be added to the video to make it visually more attractive. The next thing is to review the video and see possible modifications. Then, the video will be exported with the quality of our choice, either 720 or 1080 pixels. Finally, the video will be uploaded to the platform we choose.